We want to get to our top story, the very latest on the coronavirus emergency, the new White House team issuing a stark warning as they ramp up vaccine efforts across the country. Our chief White House correspondent, Cecilia Vega, has all of those details for us. Good morning, Cecilia.
Hi, Amy. Good morning to you. Yeah, so these new briefings by the top doctors and scientists on COVID here at the White House are going to be happening now 3 times a week. The White House says this is all part of President Biden's new effort, this attempt to put transparency and science first and rebuild trust. They say this is about leveling with America even when the outlook is bleak. This morning, a sobering projection from the nation's top coronavirus experts who say 90,000 more Americans will die from the disease in the next month alone. That somber warning, part of the Biden administration's promise to play it straight and level with Americans, even in the face of heartbreaking news.
I know this is not news we all want to hear, but this is something we must say so we are all aware.
From the new head of the CDC to Chief Medical Advisor Dr. Anthony Fauci, the first briefing socially distanced on Zoom. And it comes as January marks the deadliest month on record for this pandemic. With the government still struggling to get vaccines to the people who need them most, sources tell ABC News discussions are now underway to call on as many as 10,000 service members to help administer shots at 100 sites around the country. But even with the White House plan to purchase 200 million more doses, the grim reality, the stockpile remains low.
Any stockpile that may have existed previously no longer exists.
So far, more than 20 million people have received their first dose. But for most Americans, another reality check.
It will be months before everyone who wants a vaccine will be able to get one.
And the Biden administration now hoping to expand access by changing the rules on who can administer vaccines, calling on recently retired doctors and nurses and allowing people licensed in one state to cross state lines and pitch in. Now, today, President Biden is expected to sign another round of executive actions, this time on health care, including one that expands access to the Affordable Care Act during this pandemic. And this would open a new 3-month enrollment period for people. Another reverses a ban on U.S. funding to international nonprofits that offer abortion services. Amy, we have seen a flurry of executive actions since the president took office, 40 so far.
All right, Cecilia Vega, thank you very much.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.